right, so what we have here is Valentina. Valentina is one of the first bikes that we built in the classic shovel family. We still have 2 open spots in that family to build, but this is one of the first ones. So what are we looking at? We're looking at a shovel frame that we gave art treatment, which means that we cut the back out, put the lowering castings in from John from Hardtail Choppers. We Chromex the frame to make it look Chromex. It has a swing arm with the axle plate casting from Jeff Cochran. This is actually his swing arm. He allows us to use these on a few special builds when we do them ourselves, but this is actually his swing arm. And then we have the shovel engine. It's been completely apart, split the cases, completely rebuilt. George did an amazing job on that. And then special on this are the rocker boxes, which have been engraved by Dua from Skull Nation, just to give it a little bit of extra. The original transmission is behind it, but it has a speed dealer hydraulic clutch cover, which allows us to run the hydraulic line all the way through the frame so we can keep the handlebars nice and clean. Really good piece. It has the still a crime scene chopper kicker pedal that I've had forever, which was good to stick on this bike. And then it's paired with a Tech Cycle Performance belt drive with a starter, because you don't always want to look like a jackass at the pub trying to start your bike and can't do it on the kick, so then you can use the button. Front end is a 39mm front end with R-shaped legs, triple trees, R headlight, and then this is actually a store-bought handlebar, which is not what we normally do. We normally bend our own out of stainless on our CT Newman bender, but in this case, this one was store-bought. Internal throttle by Muller. It's the only internal throttle that we use. It's really good. So 21 inch, and then we have a 16 inch in the back on Shinko rubbers. We like riding these things, but we like stopping them as well. So we have modern calipers in the front and in the back to come to a complete stop. Our forward controls in stainless steel. Oh, what am I forgetting? Well, there are a ton of 1,000 little bits, like our Suck It Up velocity stack, our steps, our hinge, well, you name it. It's basically a full custom. The exhaust in this case is a Paco exhaust, which we had for a mock-up for another bike. Normally Panda welds up our exhausts either out of stainless or out of titanium, but this was a Paco that we still had kicking about. And that is just about it on this bike. Rides lovely, really nimble, a lot of power. You can cruise at 65, 70 miles an hour comfortably. It's a really good bike. So as I mentioned in the intro, Valentina is from the classic shovel family, of which we've done 5, and we still have 2 open spots until the family closes out. So we built these bikes in families because we don't believe in sticking every good idea into one bike, because that usually doesn't turn out well. So we kind of spread them out and then decide how much inspiration we have and where we can make every bike still look cool. So we have the the classic shovel, and then we have, of course, the stainless steel shovels, which you guys have all seen. In that family, we built the frames out of stainless steel. They're a little bit more involved. Most of those come with a Morris Magneto FNA mag. The classic family all has a electronic ignition. Yeah, that's it.